Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Capcut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Capcut, you should just go to settings. In the first you can go to apps and you can click on Capcut. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.